This is Unit 49C at 11 Hoyt. This is a large 2-bedroom at over 1,300 square feet. This one has a dark color palette, but what's nice is that the living room is the same size as a 3-bedroom living room, so it's a corner apartment. You're overlooking the skyline of Brooklyn. You can see the Barclays Center back over there. There it is, the Barclays Center. And you just have so many views everywhere. And then looking back at the unit, it has a double-door refrigerator by Bosch. There's a freezer with a built-in ice maker as well. Wine cooler, 5-gas burner, storage, pantry. This does exhaust out. There is a dishwasher as well. Did I mention that everything is brand new? Garbage disposal built in, tilting wand, spray function as well. Convection oven, speed microwave, I'm guessing. And then just take a look at these views. Imagine you're cooking or entertaining and you're just surrounded by these gorgeous views.
Need help finding one? Look no further than New Build Club, where we showcase the best new homes currently on the market and those coming soon.
So let's take a look at the bedroom. So remember, this is only a 2-bed. This is not a 3-bedroom. So this is the 2nd bedroom. Single sink. Room is not huge, but it's not bad. You can put a queen size bed in here. And then it has the bench built in, which is a trademark of this building. And just take a look at those views. Can you see Manhattan in the background? There it is. There's Manhattan Bridge, downtown Manhattan. That's Hudson Yards in the background over there. And then let's go ahead and take a look and find the primary bedroom, which I think is right ahead of me. So you'll see the dark palette in the bathroom as well, but let's look at the bedroom first. So here's the bedroom. There is a king size bed currently, the 2 nightstands. Did a great job of decorating this place. And here in the background is, again, all of Brooklyn views. I bet you can see planes landing from here as well. So you got closets side by side. So you got a double door closet here, standard. And then you have a walk-in closet. And then finally this bathroom here. So this one has a stall shower and double sink. Storage underneath as well. These floors are heated.